Oh my life, why are people so gullible on the internet? Both of these videos have been manipulated. There are no weird sounds coming from the sky. People in the comments who are saying that the rapture's coming or it's Project Blue Waffle. The first clip isn't in Japan, it's in France, and it's just after someone committed suicide in a mall with a gun. And this happened on the 18th of February earlier on this year. Those who could speak French, you could briefly hear someone in the background saying that there's a gun. Or something on the lines of that. Now the second clip may surprise you to know, but they've recently had a bunch of earthquakes. And once again, there is no sound coming from the sky. People are just shitting themselves because everything around them is shaking, which is what happens in a bloody earthquake. It's not the rapture, it's not Project Blue Waffle, it's not your stupid conspiracy theory, it's not the seventh trumpet blowing, it's not an angel, it's a flipping earthquake. And every time you lie like this, you are just undermining yourselves. Every single time. Everything has to be a conspiracy these days. You know, it's not like Mexico's situated between 5 tectonic plates, so is uniquely vulnerable to regular earthquakes, small and large. It just has to be man-made because I read it on Facebook. To be extra sketchy and scummy, I'm going to edit these clips with some weird sound effects. But hey, listen, fair play. I underestimated how gullible people on the internet can be. If not gullible, they just really, really, really badly want their religious fantasies to come true.